My name is Muhammad Raihan Saputra from 10.1 class, and today I would like to explain to you about the physics object of acceleration equation of a system. First step is to identify its free body diagram. So there's the force which it had its arrow directs down, meaning that the second object has more mass than the first object mass. Because of that force direction, the acceleration of the system will also direct to bottom direction. And the pulley blocks rope, which is the tension force, will pull the first object from the top area to the bottom area where the second object is. Then there's kinetic friction at the top area. This friction is caused by the roughness field of the top area. Its arrow directs to the left direction, which is of how the first object gets pulled by the other side from the second object. The first object has its normal force because it is standing on an area. For the second object, it doesn't have normal force, which is because it doesn't stand on its area and being connected to the rope. And there's the weight force. In both of the objects, this force is caused by gravitation force, hence its arrow goes to bottom direction. Now that we have identified the free body diagram, second step is to find its equation of the acceleration system. Starts from the first object, we will use the formula of sigma x equals to mass times acceleration. The sigma fx is because the first object's forces works in x-axis. This sigma fx works by tension force minus kinetic friction equals to mass times a, acceleration. The kinetic friction formula is mu k times normal force, which is by mass times g. Then the result will be T equals to m times a plus the friction, which is has become positive. This result will be the first equation. For the second object, we will use the formula of sigma fy and equals to m times a. This sigma fy is because the second object forces works in y axis. From the sigma fy, it works by w minus t equals to m times a. Weight force formula is m times g. So the result will be m times g minus t equals to m times a. This result will be the second equation. For the acceleration system, we will substitute the first equation the substitute will be m of second object times g minus by open parenthesis of m of first object times a plus the friction by close parenthesis and equals to m of second object times a. Then the minus m times a of first subject will switch place into the left direction of equation, which is opposite by now. So it will be m of first object times a plus m of second object times a and equals to m of second object minus friction. We will use parentheses for m of first object plus m of second object and m of second object minus mu k times m of first object. Then the result will be a equals to open parenthesis by m of second object minus mu k times m of first object by close parenthesis times g, and it will be divided by m of first object plus m of second object. Now we have found the acceleration system. I think that's all, and hopefully you guys can understand my explanation, although it's kinda wonky and my saying it wasn't clear actually. Have a nice day.